What is up, you guys? Chance back here with another video. Today is going to be a park vlog. We are going to the park today, and yeah, so I'm going to be touching grass today. And not that I don't touch grass a lot already, because I do. I don't know what the hell that was. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the drive. So I'm in the area of the beach vlog that I made, and that we saw the seagulls and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that area again.
Hang on. Over that way.
Fun away.
Ramp closed. Yeah. I think they would have.
Wait for Nana to catch up.
From the hurricane.
Where'd the other piece go?
Don't know. Probably washed away.
Damn.
The ocean usually takes a lot of stuff out with it.
But the ocean gets that high?
It goes all the way into the streets.
Listen. Everything's closed. With everything gated off.
Right.
Man. The birds. They remember us, they're not running. Oh.
And then we go back up there. At least it's not thundering like it was last time. How am I walking that much faster? I swear I'm walking slow. But... That water's 50. You're going to be cold, I think.
I'm gonna like climb up on the table. Go on the beach. Someone lost a sandal. Here we go. There's the area.
Are your brakes working?
Yeah, right on the beach again. I'm gonna try to post a beach vlog. Can't. It says it has 1,000 MB. I don't know if I can or not.
Can you go help her, bud?
Take forever though. Once it gets so solid, it's gonna be easier. I'll be right back. Okay. So, I'm recording again. Solid sand again. Let's see shots. Should have got a bucket.
You can bring. Okay, we'll put some in here after. Or it's a thing called carry your own shells.
Bucket would be easier.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be big.
Finding it.
Wow, look at all the shells down there, bub. Straight ahead. I've never seen something.
Oh, damn. We're gonna get to the area again.
Oh, cool. So I don't think.
So, we're gonna get to here. We're gonna get to the blanket. Here we go. I'm gonna look at the sand seashells, you guys. People walk by. And got my tongue out.
Grab the dryer sheet. Do it, do it.
Stuff it in the bag. But we were taking forever. And yeah, so let's look. Okay. A seashell. Number one. Pretty nice. Fine. These by the water. I have my shoes on. I'm not going in the water. But
Trouble? Yeah.
I don't know what that is. A little bit cool. Not charcoal because it's not rubbing off. If it was charcoal, it would rub off. Alright, these are my good shoes. I'm not going to ruin them. See if I can't find a good show. Take home. Most seashells I've ever seen here. Whoa. That's special. Pretty cool. Sucks it's broken. People are taking forever. Oh my god. People are taking forever. I don't know. I don't work on too many. But broken. Tides are coming up. I don't know where any things are. I'm taking this, definitely. Water, come back. Need you. Whoa. Okay, never mind. I don't want to get all wet.
Alexa, isn't this nice?
From another show.
Hey, Colton, give me a big
I'm
smile.
gonna fix you guys.
Alexa, big smiles. Chance, big smiles.
Can't find any
There's
seashells
a
yet.
soda in there if you want one.
Okay.
Want a soda?
Same. I'm taking this. It's off.
Oh, yeah. I was going to say, that was my lunch.
Far. I think I see something out here with interest. What's this? Another seashell. Another dang plain seashell. Can't find anything good. What's the value of taking? Don't want to ruin my shoes. The water either. Water's getting too high. Don't want to ruin my shoes. No way. Rare. Wow. Ha.
Nice.
Empty, broken snail shell.
That's pretty cool.
Ha. Holy crap. A lot. I'm taking this. That's for sure. Couple of them. Can't find anything else. Bunch of water. That's on a baby seashells. Don't want to walk on any. Doesn't really break any good ones. Damn. Good ones. Wait. Whoa. Like these. What's up, Alexa?
Water is freezing.
Hey.
Yes?
Can I trust you to quickly rinse them? Don't let any go, please. Like, hold them tight, but rinse them through. There we go. There we go. Got them rinsed. Quite a bit of them.
Right. Want a fella? Bubba?
Oh my eyes. What the frick?
Alexa!
What
No
are these?
further.
What is that?
Sand.
Alexa! I said no further.
She heard me.
What?
No further than where you were, okay?
Freezing.
That's good.
These. Found all these guys so far.
Right.
Mom.
Right.
Mom.
wow.
Mom.
What is it?
Volcanic rock?
There's a lot of them.
Oh no.
Found these.
Look at the chicken.
Eh? Huh?
Oh, let me look it up.
I'm gonna go find some more. Find any more. They look like volcanic rock. I'm not sure. I'm actually gonna start taking these.
What are those?
I don't know.
Do they feel like a faucet?
They're rock. They're not charcoal because they're not rubbing off. There's a lot of them.
Tarball, I guess.
Huh? Tar ball?
Yeah,
It says a tar ball.
Is it really
But usually they're from the Gulf. So they came all the way from.
Are they rare?
I don't think so.
It's all tar. I don't know.
Hey, don't throw them. I'll take them.
We're not bringing like a ton of them.
I want them. I'll have them in the bin. I'll carry them. I like these. Cotton, don't kick them. They're tar balls. I think they're worth taking. Beautiful. Wow. Mom. These are cool. I'm going to collect more tar balls.
He's scared of cold water.
I'm going to set my tripod up. I'm going to get a lot of these tar balls. So yeah.
Wow, that's huge.
This is for the vlog. We just fed them a bunch of stuff, and yeah, they just went all over it. And yeah, so I'll record more soon. It is about to be the end of the vlog. It's been a good trip. Come on, get another one.
Yeah. Yeah, because you feel so tight.
It's been a good trip so far. Trying to make some better videos for you guys. But we're going to be going to the park or somewhere. It'll be pretty cool. Yeah, it's going to be pretty nice. Uh, it's very nice here. This is Daytona Beach. The last place we were at was Coral Sands Inn in Daytona. That was nice. Again, I didn't get that as a vlog, but I'm going to be doing more vlogs very soon. So yeah, I'm running low on storage. But I will see you guys at the park or wherever we're going.
Take your shoes. She'll take this.
Alright, so we're about to go. You have everything all packed up. You're about to go to the park or somewhere. And can you get this up on my arm a bit more?
What are you doing?
Thank you. Alright, so see you guys once we get there. Here we are from last time on the vlog I'm going to be putting up.
I told you we should just go find another one. You know, they have one for the nature trail.
That's the one scene I forgot to get. But you're going to see up there in the vlog, which I'm going to be posting a different part soon. So see you once we get at the park or somewhere.
Yeah, look at the view up here. Wow, Mom, look how beautiful this is.
So you guys, that was it for this beach vlog. I am back home now. I just washed off the shells. And yeah, this was a good vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be trying to post the beach vlog except in different parts. So you should be able to see that soon. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.